So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about this amazing question, right? Now pay attention to the question. What is the question? We have to find out which is the bigger number from both of them, right? 24 factorial square and another one is 24 raised to 24, right? Whenever you see this kind of question, this become very interesting, right? Because normally we see less number, but here the number is much bigger, 24 raised to 24 and obviously 24 factorial square. Now whenever this kind of question asked, you have to keep in mind one thing, that you don't have to solve whole answer. That means you don't have to find out whole answer of 24 raised to 24 and 20 factorial 24 factorial and then square it, right? Because that method will be very long. So you have to do some tricks. You have to understand the basic concept behind this kind of questions, right? So pay attention. In this video we are going to solve this question by very easy method. So first of all, if I talk about only 24 factorial, then I can write 24 factorial as 24 into 23 into 22 up to 2 into 1. Agree? Same way, if I have 24, right, 24 raised to 24, then I can write it as 24 into 24 into 24 up to 24 times, right? We have to multiply 24 times. So now if you compare only 24 factorial and 24 as 24, then I can easily say that 24 factorial is less than 24 as to 24, obviously, right? Because here 24 into 23 into 22, and in downside I have 24 into 24 into 24, and obviously this number is always bigger than this number, right? So I can easily say 24 factorial is less than 24 as to 24, but instead of 24 factorial I have here 24 factorial square, right? So now it becomes very interesting to see, by squaring this number, can result be different or result will be remain same, right? So pay attention again, 24 factorial, right, square. So if I have 24 factorial, then I can write it as 24 into 23 into 22, agree, up to, as I said, 2 1. Now this is one time, right? But I have 24 factorial square, so I have to again multiply this whole every number with 24 23 22, right? So if I reverse this concept, means 24 into, I write 1, 23 into 2, 22 into 3, same way 2 into 23 and 1 into 24. So this is first time and this is second time, right? Again I will write 24 raised to 24 as 24 into 24 into 24 up to 24 times, obviously, right? Agree? So now pay attention, we have to compare every number, right, and see which number is greater. So first of all, if I compare both of these number, the 24 into 1 and 24, obviously I can write this greater than or equal to 24, and if you pay attention, these both are equal, right? 24 equal to 24. Same way if I talk about second number, which is 23 into 2, and this is obviously greater than this 24. Same way 22 into 3 will be greater than 24. Same way 2 into 23 will be greater than 24, and last one 1 into 24 will be equal to 24. So in all the cases, this side is either greater than or equal to, and equal to in only both cases, and rest cases these are greater number, right? So I can easily say that 24 factorial square is greater than or equal to, or if I don't write equal to, then also the 24 factorial square is greater than 24 raised to 24, which means this number is greater. Now this is, I only talked about 24, but if I want to write down this kind of question in general form, right, for example, if I write down this general form, I can say that n factorial square and n raised to n, right? But in this case it is become greater. But what about, for example, if I only talk about 1 factorial, then these both are equal, right? Same way 2 factorial square, these are again equal. Same way if I talk about 3 factorial square, it will be greater than 3 raised to 3, right? Because 3 factorial equal to 6, and 6 square 36, which is greater than 27, right? So how should I know in which case which number is greater, right? And which number is equal. So for that, I will apply one series to see whether it converges or diverges, right? So for that, you have to understand that suppose if I compare both of these number, right, which means if I write in numerator and denominator this number n factorial square, sorry, first of all I will write n raised to n divide by n factorial square, right? And I, if I want to write down like series, and I have to apply here n summation, right, n equal to 1 to infinity, right? Now I can solve this question by one test, right, which means I have to apply limit here, and I have to solve this question by this form. Pay attention, limit n tends to infinity, right, a n plus 1 divided by a raised to n, sorry, a n. Now whenever result of this question will become less than 1, then this series converges, right? Convergence. If it is greater than 1, then it will divergence, right? And if it is equal to 1, which means it is inconclusive, means we don't get any particular decision, right? So here a n plus 1 divided by a n. So what is the value of a n plus 1? Simply we have to put n plus 1 instead of n in this equation, right? So n plus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 factorial square, right? Same way divide by a n, which means I have to reverse this, right? So I can write n factorial square divided by n raised to n, right? And if you solve this equation, you will get your answer 0, which is less than 1, right? Which means it converges, right? This is very important concept to see whether it converges or diverges, right? But if you talk about this question, this concept, then obviously 24 factorial square is greater than 24 raised to 24, which is amazing question, right? So I hope you got it, and if you still have any query, doubt, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video.